Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about all these waist trainers that I just purchased. I'm doing a waist trainer haul for you guys because I know it's coming to the end of the year. Everybody, one of their resolutions is to get rid of this fupa, and that's one of my resolutions. Also included with working out. So I will be showing you guys, I purchased a total of 4, so I'll be showing you guys which one I like the best, and they all came from Amazon besides one of them. One of them is from BodyMaxx. I will leave the link in the description below for that one. Look, let me show you my fupa. So from this angle, my fupa looks okay. Then once I hit this side, it comes out a little bit. You see that? Hold on. Let me show y'all because I feel like it's not really showing on camera. I'm pushing my stomach out, but it's there. These pants, oh, these are the pants that were also in that video that I did for Fabletics. See, I take care of my clothes. But anyway, oh, shout out to Savage. I love Savage. Fenty, this stuff is so nice. Anyway, so don't forget, this video is not sponsored. I did purchase everything by myself. But these pants, you can't really see the fupa because these pants from Fabletics really hold everything in. They're like good for the fupa, you know what I mean? But anyway, I'll be showing you guys. So here, this is a different type of video. I've never done this before where I'm like half naked on camera. So bear with me. All right, there you go. Now you see the fupa. Do you see it? That's what I want to get rid of for 2021. Because I know we all gained weight or lost weight, but I was one of the people that gained a little bit more weight during the quarantine, so let's be real. Okay, so this first one right here, it looks like a kind of a sweatband. These ones, I'm not going to knock it before I try it. I didn't try anything on yet. These ones, what can I say? They are really like, I always need my husband's extra strength to close them. And he's not here right now. No, that's why I don't like these ones. It's just so hard, and then you can come around with the band, make it a lot extra sturdy. Okay, so that closes enough, but let me show you guys something. Hold on. Down here, that's my Savage panties matching. But down here, it's not really getting the rest of my fupa in there. If I move it down a little bit, it'll be too tight. There we go. So I just want more. So now you see the bulge right here. I kind of want my entire, this part up. You know what I mean? Like, I want that to be in the set. I want it to be in there, smashed in there, so that when I'm working out, I'm sweating. All of this section is sweat. So this one is not too bad. It's like super flexible. They do recommend not to do too much, not to do an excess workout in these things, but this is a sweatband, so you're supposed to be moving around in it. And I would say if I'm dancing or something, it's just a little stiff for me. It's not giving me too much flexibility. You know what I mean? So let's try it. Back in the day, a tan one like this one, if you can see it. Look at that. Damn, like, you know what? Let me try it on first. I'm already looking at it and I'm like, this ain't holding nothing. But hold on. Let's see, okay. Let's try it out. Try it out. Let's not knock it. Alright, so it looks like I'm on the first hook. That's okay. I am so hungry. Okay, so as I hook this up, this one has hooks, no Velcro or zipper. Okay, so let me tell you my experience with only having hooks on the waist trainer. So with only having hooks on the waist trainer that I used to have, like this, it was a tan one like this, the hooks would bend after a while. It wasn't much I can do in it, you know what I mean? There wasn't much I can do. They would literally bend. It wasn't sturdy enough. Like, I feel like it's not really holding it in, you know what I mean? It's not really gripping me up. I mean, it does have everything inside, but it's just not. Let's try it on the second hook, or maybe the third. Let's get to the third. Let's see what we can do. Oh, I missed the hook up there. And it's still not giving me that security that I want. I want slim. That's what I want. Hourglass. I can still see my muffin top with this. I'm not really feeling that. I'm not really feeling that. I mean, it feels great. It's nice and flexible. And then, hold on. Anything without, like, it has the bendy wires on it. I'm trying to, let me do some squats. Ooh, these joints shaking. Okay. I'm trying to, it's just not doing it for me. So without my like Fabletics control waist thing, it just looks like my regular waist. You know what I mean? It's not really gripping me. That's not gonna cut it for me. It's not gonna cut it for the new year. We gotta go into the new year with the right stuff. Okay. We gotta go into the new year with the right stuff. All right, let's try. Okay. So I was going for more of a waist trainer plus sweatband. That's what I wanted to do. I'm going to be walking more. I want something gripping me tight while I'm walking. You know what I mean? That's what I would like. So maybe this would be nice underneath a dress or something. That's what I'm thinking this is for. To give it a little bit of a slim look, but not to really work out in. Not to work out in for me. It's a no for me. It's a no. Guys, I don't do videos like this often. I've been doing straight nail videos for the last 6-7 months, haven't I? And I'm going to be doing more videos like this too. I'm going to be posting more. That's one of my goals for the New Year's. Posting more, maybe like 5 times a week. Because right now I'm posting like twice a week. I feel like I can kick it up a notch. You know what I mean? I'm just going to try to post more. So this one looks simple. This one is called Abba Hub. I like how they actually put the name on it. None of the other ones had the name on it. I know I took it out of the boxes, but I like how the name is actually on the product. Okay. Whew. Okay, guys. This one feels pretty good. I don't feel any rods in it, or metal rods. It's pretty flimsy, but let's see. Let's see. It feels like foam a little bit. You never know until you put it on. So, hold on. And it's easy. Oh, yes, because, hold on. Okay. Okay. I want to have to really use some muscle to get that to be nice and tight. Okay. Alright, so, I mean, this is not bad. It's not all the way up like I would like it. Right under there, underneath the breast line. In order for it to get my fupa too. Like down there. It's not all the way up. So, It is holding me in, but I need some like man muscle to really grip it all the way around and choke me, you know? Let me see. Okay, so yeah, this one, I don't really feel like I'm stuck. Also, it's really flexible. So I feel like this one would be, you know, good with just a regular workout. I do wish it can get a lot tighter. And I promise you guys, I'm trying my best to pull it around, but it's super hard. But how flexible can it be while it's holding you in? I don't know. I'm not a manufacturer. You know, so I would say this one on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll say a 5. Oh, a 6. Okay. All right, so, but I'm already sweating a little bit in here. I was already sweating. Wow. Okay. Didn't even move. I walked up and down. I don't know. I didn't move a lot. All right, so last one. Let's see. This one is the BodyMaxx one. Okay, so this one has the name on it too. I really like that. Like it's a branded company. I just like that. It feels like it's not coming from just anywhere. You know what I mean? This looks like it has a lot going on too. Like it has the zipper, it has the hooks, it has the bands. It's amazing. That's good. That's super secure. Wow. All right, so let's try this one. Hold up, hold up. Oh, and it's long. It's all the way. Look how it's all the way up. Here, let me move this camera back a little bit. Okay, can you guys see me? Okay, so the BodyMaxx one. That's Max with 2 X's. See it? BodyMaxx. Okay. This one right here, I already like it because look, I'm tall. I have a long torso, so I need the fupa and up here in it. I need that stuck in there when I'm working out. Let me see. Oh, my hair. All right. Okay. Okay, so this one was actually, I do remember it was super easy to search for. They have the measuring chart up, so you can't miss with that. That is a plus. So let's do the hooks first. I'm gonna do the 3rd hook. Oh. Ooh, Lord. I promise you. I promise. I'm gonna give updates. To show how small my waist is getting. I have a measuring tape, and that's for my press-on nails, but I'm gonna actually use that to measure my waist after, what is it, like a month or so I should measure. You see my fat sticking to there? Okay, hold on. Okay. All right, so now that's stuck. I can do the zipper now. Okay. Whew. Sorry it's messy in here. It's a lot going on in this nail room, beauty room, nail room, office, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and now it has the bands. This is what I need to really like give me that extra security. See how extra I am? Okay, and they're not hard to pull. See, like the other ones were super hard to pull. I couldn't get it around. And I know I'm not that big. But just being that hard, I ordered it my size, so being that hard to pull around is already annoying. You're already making me mad. Okay, so that's pull around. Let me bring the other one around. Super easy. There we go. Woo! Oh my. Wow. Sorry guys. Let's put the titties away. Okay. That is super tight. Look, there's nothing like out of place here. Look how slim that is. Wow. Okay. I have a mirror behind you guys. Behind the camera, so I'm looking at it. Wow. Look how great that is. Yes. I'm trying to work out in it. It's like, but, oh, it's hot. It's hot in here. That's holding me tight. That's holding me in. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so this one, that's really holding me in. I feel like I'm taking a deep breath and not letting go. That's not dangerous or nothing. I mean, like, I didn't explain that well, but I feel like it's really holding me tight. I feel like if I'm going to walk, so my workouts, I'm starting with my trainer on Thursday. So 2 days from now, I'm starting with my trainer twice a week for 12 weeks, walking on every other day in between those days. And I'll have my waist trainer on every time so that I can just see results, you know what I mean? But I really feel like this is definitely holding me in. It already like looks like hourglass with it on. That's what I want to see. I already want to see the hourglass when I have a waist trainer on. There's no point of having a waist trainer if you can't even see the hourglass yet. It just doesn't make sense, you know? That's what waist trainers are supposed to do for you anyway. But yeah, this is perfect. Okay, best for last, right? This is perfect. So, wow. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you guys. All right, guys. But like I said, I'll be putting up more type haul videos for you guys if you haven't already. Oh, and I think this website, they had other stuff on there. I was only looking for waist trainers, but they do have like creams and stuff that goes with the waist trainers, stuff like that. You gotta check it out. You know, you're trying to get the same. Now that I like the product, I'm gonna go back and try to find some other stuff they have. Because I do, what if they have the, you know, the jackets? Maybe like the stuff for your legs. Now I want to get everything. But, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Also, stay tuned for my next video. I am going to be posting more. Hopefully, my goal for 2021 is 5 times a week. It's not a burnout for me because I'm already posting 2 to 3 times a week. So, extra 2 days, I don't feel like it will be too much. I've already calculated it, and I have plenty of other videos that I've pre-recorded, and I'm ready to, they're all scheduled and stuff like that. So, it's not going to be too much for me. I'm not going to be hitting a burnout because I know some of you are worried about that. Don't worry. What did I say? Did I already say subscribe? Yes, please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.